What is keto flu? It's crucial to drink plenty of water when beginning the keto diet. You may even notice that you're visiting the bathroom more often, and that's normal. This happens because you're cutting out a lot of processed foods and have started eating more whole natural foods instead. Processed foods have a lot of added sodium, and the sudden change in diet causes sudden drop in sodium intake. Additionally, the reduction in carbs reduces insulin levels, which in turn tells your kidneys to release excess stored sodium. Between the reduction in sodium intake and flushing of excess stored sodium, the body begins to excrete much more water than usual, and you end up low on sodium and other electrolytes. When this happens, you may experience symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, coughing, sniffles, irritability, and/or nausea. This state is generally known as the keto flu. It's very important to know that this is not the actual influenza virus. It's called the keto flu only due to the similarity in symptoms, but it's neither contagious nor a real virus. Many who experience these symptoms believe the keto diet made them sick and immediately go back to eating carbs. But the keto flu phase actually means your body is withdrawing from sugar, high carbs, and processed foods, and is readjusting so it can use fat as its fuel. The keto flu usually lasts just a few days while the body readjusts. You can abate its symptoms by adding more sodium and electrolytes to your diet. How to deal with keto flu? The keto flu is avoidable and its duration can be reduced simply by adding more sodium to your diet. Here are some of the easiest ways to do it. Add more salt to your meals. Drink soup broths like beef and chicken. Eat saltier foods like pickled vegetables and bacon. To replace other electrolytes, try to eat more of the foods listed below.